Ever tried sending crypto to a friend, only to realize you have no clue what address to use? It's a feeling most cryptocurrency newbies experience at some point. You've signed up for an exchange, maybe even bought some Bitcoin, but when it comes to transferring those coins, things get a little foggy. Fear not, crypto comrades. Today's mission, demystifying the Newton address and making sure your crypto never gets sent into the digital abyss. Let's face it, crypto addresses can look intimidating. A string of random letters and numbers that seem more suited for launching a rocket than sending some Dogecoin to your buddy. But worry not, because underneath that seemingly complex exterior lies a surprisingly logical system. So, before we dive into Newton specifically, let's take a quick detour to Crypto Address 101. This will give you a solid foundation for understanding not just Newton addresses, but crypto addresses in general. Cryptocurrency addressing, a crash course. Imagine a giant, digital apartment building. Each apartment has a unique address that allows mail, or in this case, cryptocurrency, to be delivered directly to the intended recipient. That unique address is your crypto wallet address. Now, these crypto apartment buildings come in different shapes and sizes, just like there are different types of blockchains. Bitcoin has its own addressing system, Ethereum has another, and so on. The good news is that most wallets, like Newton, are what we call multi-currency wallets. This means they can hold different cryptocurrencies, even though each coin might technically reside on a different blockchain. Think different apartment buildings. Finding your Newton address, mission go. Alright, with that foundational knowledge under our belt, let's get down to brass tacks and find your Newton address. Here's what you need to do. Log into your Newton account. This might seem obvious, but hey, gotta start somewhere. Navigate to your wallet. Most platforms will have a dedicated wallet section. In Newton's case, it might be located on the main dashboard or tucked away under a settings menu. Don't worry, a quick scan of the interface should reveal the path. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to find the address for. Remember, Newton is a multi-currency wallet, so you'll likely see a list of all the supported coins. Click on the specific crypto you're interested in. Look for the Deposit or Receive button. This button might be accompanied by an icon resembling a QR code, a square barcode that looks like a digital maze. Voila! Your Newton address is revealed. It will likely be displayed as a long string of alphanumeric characters. This is the unique identifier for your specific cryptocurrency holdings within the Newton wallet. Pro tip, double check is key. Before you copy and paste that address anywhere, take a deep breath and double check it. One wrong character and your crypto could end up in someone else's digital wallet, potentially lost forever. Here are some safety measures. Copy the address directly from Newton. Avoid manually typing it, as typos are the enemy of successful crypto transfers. Consider using the QR code. Many wallets, including Newton, offer the option to display the address as a QR code. This allows you to scan the code with your phone's camera app, eliminating the risk of typos altogether. Sending and receiving crypto with your Newton address. Now that you've successfully located your Newton address, you're ready to rock and roll. Here's a quick rundown on how to use it. To receive crypto, simply share your Newton address with the sender. Once they initiate the transfer, the crypto will be deposited directly into your Newton wallet. To send crypto, find the send function within your chosen cryptocurrency. Paste the recipient's wallet address, not your own, double-check everything, and hit send. Easy peasy. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you send crypto, it's gone. So, make sure you're sending it to the correct address before hitting that confirmation button. Beyond the basics, understanding different address types. There's a little more to the world of crypto addresses than meets the eye. While the core concept remains the same, a unique identifier for your wallet, there can be some variations depending on the specific platform or blockchain. Here are two terms you might encounter. Legacy addresses, these are the original type of Bitcoin addresses and are still widely used. They start with the prefix 1 and are generally considered safe, but some consider them a bit outdated. BEC32 addresses. These are a newer type of Bitcoin.